Hi everyone, welcome back again to Lucy Family Kitchen. I hope you all are doing great. Join me today. Let me show you how to make French pancake. And if you want to see how I made this delicious pancake, watch this video till the end. And don't forget to like and share this video. Also subscribe to this channel to support my channel. So to start without wasting much time, in your large mixing bowl, sieve in your flour. Always make sure you sieve your flour to remove any lumps or unwanted particles in it. Then add your white powdered sugar, a pinch of salt. Then use a whisk to combine the dried ingredients together. Next, add in your raw egg, and for this recipe I'm using 3 raw eggs. Add in your unsalted melted butter. Then go ahead to add in your liquid milk gradually while you mix with your whisk. Next, add in your remaining liquid milk and continue mixing with a whisk until a smooth batter is formed with no lumps, and your batter should be thinner than a normal pancake batter. Let your batter rest for at least 10 minutes while you heat up your pan. You can oil your pan or use melted butter. Once your pan is hot enough, scoop in your pancake batter. Spread it around the pan to form a thin layer. And once your pancake is lightly brown, flip the other side and let it cook for another 1 more minute. Then take your pancake off the heat. Repeat the same process with the remaining batter until you finish everything. So guys, this is what your French pancake should look like after you are done making them. You can go ahead and enjoy your pancake with any topping of your choice. And don't forget to tell me what you think about this recipe on the comment section. Also support my channel by clicking on that subscription button, like and share this video. See you guys on my next video. Bye.